How to Outlook login. Hello everyone, my name is Mal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can Outlook login. So if you have your laptop, then if you're using the PC, then you can simply see the option of Outlook on the Google Chrome, or you can also install the very application and keep it on your very front window section and simply open it and then use it. But in phone, how you can do that is go on the Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Outlook. After you search for Outlook, simply install the Microsoft Outlook right here. After you open and install the Microsoft Outlook right here, what you can simply do is log into your Outlook account by first of all the options, and then log into your Outlook account by tapping your Outlook mail and then password, or you can also create one. So after you do that, you can simply log into your Outlook account and then open and use your Outlook account. So you can send the messages like this as well. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.